What if I told you this is going to be one of your flyest textured edged wigs? It's going to hold on to the back of that neck like a good relationship. You can wear it up, you can wear it down, you can wear it melted, you can wear it glueless. Whether at Sunday school or second service, it's going to eat either way. Hey cousins, hey, so we're gonna start this thing off right. I have my lips setting and I broke my thumbnail. Hey, but we gonna keep this party going because that's what we do over here. Y'all look at this wig right here. Look at this wig right here. When I tell you I was excited to try this, Wild African has the dopest dome cap. Like the actual dome cap that the wig is on. Y'all, when I tell you, if you are looking for a glueless wig, you ought to try this dome cap out, because the way they put this thing together, this is not slip and slide records, and your wig is not supposed to be sliding around the back of that neck. Now, if you have a small domology like I do, my circumference is 21. Never mind the fact that my forehead is blessed and highly favored. The circumference, The circumference is 21. That's on the small side. So if you know, like I know, we be having all kind of gaps in the back. We make it work, but let's not act like we don't exist. So finally, folks starting to get hip to it. Well, hold a minute now. We need to make wigs that fit the majority of people, but what about those pea-head folk over there that always have the gappage in the back? Well, bam, here we are. That silicone strip holds the back of that neck, but that drawstring does it every time, baby. Not to mention that there are removable combs. Just say you don't want the combs in there. Sometimes combs and wig caps pull, people's hair out. It just depends on what you want. If you want it in there, bam, put it in there. If you don't, take it off. It's about options. And then on top of it, the high definition lace. I mean, I don't really know what else to say about that. That cap is the star of the show. But I'm gonna tell you a real close up second place star. Baby, the hair on this wig, this is a natural wavy, and it's given like a natural blowout that has been wand curled. Y'all, it is so pretty. This wig is darling. You hear me? Now you saw the specs on the screen. If you didn't, go back so you can see exactly what I have upon my head. It's also going to be in the description box because I'm professional. you know I put stuff in the description box, okay? Y'all, this wig is beautiful. It definitely gives me glamour. So if you are, going someplace formal, or if you're not going someplace formal and you just want to step on necks, I mean, we really can do it when we want to do it. Actually, we can do it and put our backs, into it. Now, I can preach this if I want to, but I'm not going. But I am reminded that if we would only be faithful and just hold out a little longer, there will be a ram in the bush. Now, us pea-heads have been waiting for a dome cap like this. You understand? Now let's talk about another ram in the bush. If y'all have not gotten your hands on an unbrush, get it. Just try it. If you have struggled finding a detangling brush, give this one a try. Just give it a try and see, okay? Because it has thoroughly changed the game for me. Y'all, look how beautiful. When you brush those waves, honey, when you brush those wand curls, it gives you such a beautiful wave pattern. Now, my density is ignorant on top of ignorant. You can also get a natural, I believe it's 180. You don't have to pick the high density, but you already know what I was going for. We already know that, okay? I'm just showing you the difference between the two. Whether you brush it out or not, this wig is coming at it like that. All right. It has textured edges for a natural look. Now you have options. If you want to keep the edges the way that they are, you can do that. If you want to swoop-a-doop them, you can do that. Look at that. Ooh, honey. If you want to shave them down, you can do that. But these are actually not that thick to where you would have to do that. You still could do it. You could take a little teeny bit off to make it even more kind of natural for you, depending on your edges. That's that drawstring, honey. That wig's not going. Look at that. This is glueless now. This is glueless. That is due to the construction of that cap and the lace. God, the tag team is what's going to give you that natural sort of lay, and the way that it fits on your head does affect the way that the wig looks when you're finished. It 100% affects the way that the wig looks. How snug it is to your head, it absolutely has an effect on the end result. So, that's something that if you are stepping your wig game up, I hear a lot of you guys in the comments, a lot of y'all are really stepping up and stepping into your styling and customization and all the things. Some people just want to throw on and go, and that's what's up. As you can see, I put that on, very little customization, and boom, you out the door. But there are things that you can do if you want to, you want to show out a little bit. Okay? And these are still, entry level customizations. You know what I'm saying? So you guys can do this stuff right here if you choose to, but you do not need to. See, that's the key. That's the key right there. You don't need to, but you can. I'm just seeing right here what a middle part is looking like, and I was pleased. I was thoroughly pleased. Baby, when I brushed through that wig, don't do me like that, honey. Y'all, this curl pattern is absolutely one of my favorites. Absolutely. That, along with the texture being like a natural blowout texture, y'all. Come on. This wig is eating down. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like if you melt it, because you can melt it. Y'all, that spray is really, really cold. But anyways, you absolutely can melt these glueless wigs. Just because it's glueless does not mean that you have to wear it glueless. I'm just showing you that you can. But because I was getting ready to do a ponytail, I wanted to go ahead and melt that sucker down, just so it's not moving all over the place when I am forming the ponytail. The more steady that it is, the better when you are in that process. So I said, let me go ahead and do it like this so I don't have to worry about it moving and grooving and messing up my ponytail flow. Because y'all, when I'm in the mood for a ponytail, I don't want no mess. I don't want any distractions, okay? So basically the rest of this is me just kind of molding my ponytail. Right here, I'm pulling some of the hair, kind of melted down with the lace, and I'm just loosening that up because I don't want that just line of hair going across my face. So I'm just kind of getting that out the way. And y'all, I'm being very careful, as you can see, because that heat was on 500, okay? 500. So, but make sure that if you're doing this, this is a human hair wig, so you can do 500 on a human hair wig, okay? I don't do it on my natural hair, but these human hair wigs, they get the business. I don't know what to tell everybody, okay? So I'm just gonna do a half up, half down ponytail with little tendrils in the front, little tendril bangs in the front. That's it, y'all. Just so you can see how fly this wig is, as if you have not already seen it, because I done showed y'all. I don't know what else. I don't know. The hair is light. It's fluffy. Like I said, the lace is HD. It's pre-everything, pre-bleached, all of the things, y'all. I didn't have to do nothing. I didn't have to cut the lace. I didn't have to do anything, y'all. I put the wig on my head. That's it. I put it on now. Now, depending on your complexion, you may have to tint the lace like I do, which I generally have to. 99% of the time I have to. So there's that. I don't really mind that at this point. So yeah, so I do add the the color to the lace just so that it matches. Look at that, y'all. And those are some of the small steps that you can take to easily customize your wig to your liking. These are small customizations, y'all. So use the stuff that everybody can do. Now, once it's on, because I melted, I want to go ahead and reapply some of that contour color, some of that bronzer color, just to make it even more seamless. You don't necessarily have to do that, but sometimes after you melt the color, because it's a liquid, the spray is a liquid, so you sometimes want to just reapply that deep color along the top, just to replace any that was lost in the melting process. Okay. Y'all, look at that. That's cute. As you can tell, I'm feeling this thing right here, baby. This wig is gorgeous. This wig is beautiful. I don't know how it would look in the 180 density. I'm sure it will be just as beautiful, but the fullness of this right here, oh, it's sending me. It's sending me, y'all. There's nothing, I have no complaints about this wig. The only thing that I would say, no, nothing. I have no complaints about this wig. I don't have any complaints. Yeah, I'm sitting up here trying to think, y'all, for real. This wig is so pretty. It's so beautiful. I love the options. There are different length options. You don't have to get it as long as this. There are, of course, the density options. I mean, they are making it very easy for you to select a bomb wig. And I, for one, am here for that. Y'all, that is so pretty. So whether you wear it down, I think my favorites would be the updo, the half up, half down, and then the middle part. The side part was fly too. When I got it, there was already a side part in it, but that middle part ate down, so I just switched it over. And then the no part. You don't have to have a part at all, y'all. You do not have to have a part at all. If you just want to put it on and flip it to the side with pride, baby, that's how you gonna look right there. Come on now. I'm just showing you. I ain't got to sit up here and lie. This wig ate down. And we gonna be around Target, Hobby Lobby, Costco's. Yeah. Let me know in the comments what you think about this wig, all right? Peace, love, light.